I am pleased to inform that one of our recent work is published in IEEE Transaction of Vehicular Technology. So this work starts from my work where I developed an architecture of emergency communication system using UAVs for disaster. But we see that when disaster happens, some parts are unreachable. There can be a hill or broken roads, so the UAVs cannot be connected with the emergency communication vehicle. To solve the issue, we use cooperative communication and we propose the model in this paper. To know more about this, you can check Volume 74, Issue 9 of IEEE Transaction on Vehicular Technology. Thank you everyone.